Mom, we are going out. Is it okay? Of course, Peppa dear, but can you please take George with you? I would gladly take him, but he is sleeping very peacefully. Okay then, but don't go too far or I'll worry a lot. We won't, Mommy. Let's go, girls. Where are we going? I think we'll go to the park and find a merry-go-round. Girls, have you heard it? Oh, it's raining. What will we do now? Girls, let's run home. We'll find out what to do later. Mommy, we're home. Thanks God, because I was going to worry already. It's raining heavily. Yes, but what are we going to do now? Oh, there are myriads of different joyful activities. You can go upstairs and I'll bring you some tasty cookies. What a nice idea, girls. Let's go. Hush, girls. Speak quietly. George is sleeping. No, I'm not sleeping. The thunder has woken me up. Let's play Guess the Animal. I will be playing with you. I'll be the first. Listen attentively. It's easy. It's a cat. Now listen to me. Well, of course it's a pig. Now listen to me. Bay, bay. Oh, Suzy, I know. It's a sheep. Now listen to me. Hey, ah, hey. We don't know, George. What is it? Really? You don't know? It's a dinosaur. Girls, I brought you some sweets as promised. Thank you very much. You're welcome, my dears. I have an idea. Let's play catch up. Candy, you'll be the first to catch us up. Catch me up. Catch me up. I'm going to catch you up. Peppa, I caught you up. Now I'm going to catch Suzy up. Girls, the rain has stopped and I think you can play catch up outside. Yeah, we'll go outside, but we are going to jump in the muddy puddles. What a joyful thing to jump in muddy puddles.
Subscribe.